Reginald Marketrell Lee, aka Archangel Ramael, Angel of Hope. 144,000. Let's lift our vibrations. You guys thought I was gone, but I'm not. I had to go through a little bit of spiritual warfare, and I'm working on some things, working on some projects right now, and I just want to get everything lined up nice and pretty before I let it out. There's gonna be a video coming on manifestation. I just want to make sure I have my ducks lined in a row before I throw that video out. I want to thank all the I want to thank my new subscribers. I want to thank thank you for the views. Thank everybody who's following me on Instagram, Facebook. But yeah, so I'm not downer. I'm not like down and out because somebody ran me off or anything like that. No, I just had a lot of. I just had to fight, do a lot of spiritual work to get everything straightened out. So I'm gonna be throwing out that manifestation video soon. Can't tell you exactly when. I might do a regular, just like a regular quick throw up in between. But yeah, we're gonna get it popping real soon. If you guys need your numerology numbers, I'm gonna put a link down in the description, so you can get your most telling number, most telling numbers. And you know, if you have any questions, just email me. Yeah. Yeah, and if I don't post in a while, just either email me or just comment on one of the videos. Hey, everything's okay? And I'll comment right back. Like I said, I'm working on a few projects. I never work on one thing alone. A lot of times that could be a little problem, but it has its ups and its downs, and it has its rewards. To be able to multitask like me, like I said, I do not consent to conform, so I'm a bit different. And yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm not down and out. I do apologize, and nobody ran me off. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. Follow me on Instagram at The Conduit Mindset, or Facebook at Reginald Marketrell Lee. Until then, remember, no fear, no anger, no hate. I love you. Peace.